In primetime news this evening, Education Minister provides more details on PEP changes.
Is PEP too hard? A psychologist weighs in.
And later, PNP candidates take municipal corporation to court. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up, we have the business news.
And Jermaine Brown, so it's a big show today, has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, big trouble on the horizon for Mount Pleasant, the leaders of the National Premier League, as they could be in trouble for using ineligible players in the league. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather, this newscast. So Romaine Robinson will give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, we do have dry conditions that are forecast for this weekend, but we still have those isolated showers that are expected to be developing in the afternoons across inland areas.
So the details of the weather later on, but before the break, and we're headed to the break, before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what changes would you suggest are needed to improve the primary exit profile PEP exams?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post, as always, on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.